In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind the smart switch failed to connect the device error and provide detailed, step-by-step solutions to fix it. If all else fails, we will also introduce a reliable alternative tool to complete your data transfer efficiently. Part 1. Why is my smart switch failing to connect? The smart switch failed to connect error can be caused by USB issues, outdated software, missing permissions, security restrictions, network problems, or system glitches. Part 2. How to fix smart switch failed to connect the device. Now that you know the common causes, let's walk through step-by-step solutions to fix the smart switch failed to connect the device error. 2.1. Confirm devices meet the requirements. Before troubleshooting, ensure both devices meet smart switch's requirements. Device compatibility, OS versions Android 5.0 Plus or iOS 5.0 Plus, up-to-date smart switch app, and at least 500 megabytes of free storage on both devices. 2.2. Check USB connection and cables. To fix smart switch connection issues, use a high-quality USB data cable, try different USB ports, ensure a firm connection, and avoid using adapters or hubs if possible. 2.3. Check internet connection. For a stable wireless connection with smart switch, ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restart your router. Use a stable mobile hotspot. Prefer 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, avoid public networks, and disable VPNs. 2.4. Restart both devices. For Android, hold the power button to restart or use power plus volume down for a forced restart. For iOS, hold the power and volume buttons, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds. Restart your PC or Mac to fix software glitches, then reopen Smart Switch and try connecting the devices again. 2.5. Update or reinstall Smart Switch. For mobile, update through the App Store or reinstall by uninstalling and reinstalling. For desktop, check for updates in settings or reinstall after uninstalling from your computer. 2.6. Grant required permissions. Grant necessary permissions for Smart Switch to connect. For Android, enable USB debugging in developer options and allow file transfer. For iOS, tap Trust when prompted. Ensure access to contacts, photos, and other data and app permissions. 2.7. Temporarily disable security software. Security software antivirus. Firewall can block smart switch. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall on your computer, and check device security settings on mobile to fix connection issues. Re-enable security tools after troubleshooting. Part 3. Best alternative when smart switch fails. If smart switch fails, Coolmuster Mobile Transfer is a reliable alternative for easy data transfer between devices. It supports multiple file types, works across Android and iOS devices, and offers one-click transfer with no data overwrite. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer, then open the program. You will see a clean interface prompting you to connect your devices. Step 2. Use USB cables to connect your source device old phone and target device new phone to the computer. On Android devices, enable USB debugging when prompted. On iOS devices, trust this computer. Once connected, the program will automatically detect both devices. Step 3. After detection, make sure the old device is displayed as source and the new device as destination. If they are reversed, click the flip button to switch their positions. Step 4. Choose the types of data you want to transfer and click the Start Copy button to begin transferring data. Keep both devices connected during the process until it is completed.